Dabung Girl and the Mysterious Planet. A critical thinking activity. Dabung Girl is talking to Bunty and Naina.
Hello friends, I am going on a space journey to a new planet. Would you like to join me?
Oh yes. We would love to.
Wow. The space is so beautiful.
Look friends, there is the mysterious planet, Zooga. Come, let's go there.
Yay.
Do you think we should go there? I am little afraid.
Even I have not met the aliens on that planet. Let's see.
Dabung Girl and her friends meet Mawa, the alien of the planet Zooga. Mawa throws them a challenge.
Are people on planet Earth really intelligent?
Of course.
Let me see if you can answer a simple puzzle from my planet. There are 3 stones A, B and C hidden inside this box. Can you tell me the color of the stones from these clues without looking at the stones?
The box carries 3 clues. Clue 1, if A is red, then B is blue. Clue 2, if B is not red, then C is blue. Clue 3, if A is blue, then B is green.
This looks so tricky.
Can you help Dabung Girl and her friends to find out the colors of the stones? Your time starts now.
Time's up.
I think I have found the answer.
How?
Solution.
As a first step, write down the possible color combinations. Now, let's look at the first clue. If A is red, then B is blue. Let's look at the second clue. If B is not red, then C is blue. Let's look at the third clue. If A is blue, then B is green.
Stone A, green. Stone B, red. Stone C, blue. The trick in this activity is, it is not stated that if B was red, then C cannot be blue.
Wow. I am impressed.
Thank you. See you later. Bye.